And welcome to another episode of the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor, and today we are working our way through the Project Playbook on the bright side. And we did previously we did project layout number 1, which is a one-page spread, and it turned out super cute. So if you missed this video, I'll put it in the description below and you can go back and watch that one. This one is a really fun, cute layout, and it's another one pager. And what was fun is on the paper, you got to kind of fussy cut out the flowers, and it turned out super cute. And I know mine aren't exactly as the way the instructions said, because a lot of stuff gets covered up by the photos, as you can see. So, we're using, this is a full sheet. Now I could, if I wanted to save, I could cut and gut it in the middle and then just put the strips on either side. So, because the rainbow paper size is 9 by 12. So I've got where I could cut a couple inches off and then just weld everything back together, but I'm not going to do that for this one. So we're just going to get this getting low. Yeah, okay. So it has the purple at the bottom. So we're just going to put that in the middle here. And I'm just going to eyeball it. It'll be fine. All right, so we've got that. So now I want to line up this with how this is going to look. So, let's see here. Have that. I'll just kind of dry fit everything. Make sure we don't need to make any adjustments. So this technically could shift over. And then this goes right here. And then this one does use January, but I'm not going to use it. I'm not going to pull just one because that's the only time it's used there. So we've got this little note, cute little note card. And it actually matches with that. Okay. And then this is over like this. And then this is up here. I might have to kind of turn. Do that. That can go right there. And then this is here. These two go up here. Oops, I just squished that. And this one down here. I'm just kind of rough estimating, and the love can go right there. Okay, so let's get this guy. Nope. And I am out. So this is a good one to show you. I think I have another one in my belt. I sure do. So these hold 4 tape runners. So then you just peel off the back. Kind of be careful because it is plastic, so don't kind of try and force it out the back end. I did that and kind of broke a piece off. It didn't affect it from working, but just kind of like gently get all the packaging off, pop it out. And then this is what it looks like to have 4 tape runners on that. So, and then that is trash. And you're just going to line that up with, so they're lining this up. There we go. And push this back down and we're all good to go. trying to be gentle with all the... There we go. Okay. Let's move that aside for a minute and see how... If you hear a kitten, you're not imagining things. I have a kitten, and she is not happy with me right now. All right, so this is out a little further than it should be. Maybe, I don't want to have to pry this up too much. I should have. Let's see if I can gently pull this and try this again. Okay, so let's position where everything should be. And then I just want to, okay, get that moved over. Maybe move it up. Okay, try that one more time. Okay, now let's put this on there. See if we can make sure that's even. There we go. And this guy goes on here for like a little journaling notebook paper. And then this is right there like that. So I am not going to put adhesive right there yet because I don't want it. So if I have to tuck a picture underneath, I might put some right up to it, kind of keep it from sticking. All right, let's do this guy. And then this. There we go. And then I am going to put the love up onto some foam. Let's see if I have... Oh yeah, that'll work. Get my scissors. Save that. Sometimes it's nice to just have random strips and then that makes it work. All right. Get this peeled off. I'm really loving this new bright collection. I know it's a little more girly, but I have girls. So, I mean, I do have one boy, but for me, I like that. Okay, this one I'm just going to put down. Kind of look and see. So it has it kind of tucked underneath there. Like that. I got some residue. That's nice spot. And then it looks like this one's also tucked underneath there. So just put it under like that. All right. And then let's see, where does, so that, let's get the key, this and the key put down before I lose them because they're so tiny. Right there, like that. And then the little cloud, I am going to put that up onto some foam. And I might need to, oops, try and get a hold of that. Is the little pieces, if you have like, these are like gel dip nails. Some of them are, it's hard to like get those when you have that. All right, so put that right there. Okay, and then let's see, it looks like they have the blue right here, and then the yellow is down here like that, and then that's up here, and it looks like they got a pink and the pink right here, and then looks like they got this here, and then maybe that looks like a green. It's okay if I use the wrong ones, I use the wrong ones. It's totally fine. Now, one thing you could do is if you have markers, you could color in the black in white. Color all the flowers in if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that. I kind of like it like this, but I am going to put those that are sticking up. I'm afraid they'll get caught on something. All right, so this is layout number 2. It is a 1-page from the Project Playbook guidebook. Is calling this a playbook. So the Project Playbook looks super cute. If you're not going to have extra of this stripe paper or this paper, so you would need another pack if you wanted to do a 2-page spread. There's also room over here if you wanted to add, another photo tucked behind the flowers. You could put that there, and then you got 4. You can put some 2x2 photos there. So you could get up to, if you could put a couple 2x2s, so that's 3, 4, 5, you could get 6 photos on a page for that. And you also could make a mirror image but you would just need another paper pack to do that. There's enough from right here for some journaling. So, well, thank you for joining me for another episode of the Scrapping Studio. I really appreciate you. If you aren't a subscriber, I would love for you to subscribe. I do have a Sketch Sunday video that comes out every Sunday, and we did that last year, and we're continuing that into 2026. One of my goals is to have some other videos, at least one other video during the week, as well as my schedule allows with traveling and kids and all the fun things in life. So if you'd like to join any of my events here in Iowa, I will put that information below as well. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.